la la la, la la, oh, oh, oh.
What a busy morning, but good morning. My sister-in-law is actually doing a quick drive-by today to pick up an item because she has a show today. So she asked me if she could use Penny's quilt for the show, and I'm like, yeah, sure. So I'm gonna meet her downstairs. At the same time, my in-laws are coming to visit too, so I have to do some grocery shopping because they're arriving for lunch, and I have nothing in the fridge. Sorry, nothing in the fridge to prepare for them for lunch, so I'm going to do all that. Might as well while I'm downstairs. I'll see you guys later. So here's the quilt. I also packed them a little snack goodie bag because they're setting up for their show. The convention center or centers like that charge extra expensive for the food, so I figured a little goodie bag will help them out, get them energized. We're just at the foyer waiting for my sister-in-law. I'm trying to see outside. So I just remembered that I forgot to get this salad dressing. I guess I just have to make. Oh. I don't know why she tilts to the side. So we're having cherry blossom, apple cherry blossom, but I think it's just cherries, apples, and bananas. Oh, so yeah, this morning's been crazy hectic. Now we're back to regular schedule. So when I was at the grocery store, I could see her trying to doze off. I'm like, no, don't, because I don't want her to sleep yet until she gets home, because I feel like if she sleeps in the car seats, it's not a really good sleep, and I'd rather have her nap in her crib. Oh, I don't know what's going on, but last night, every 2 hours, same thing. Like, it's on and off with her and her sleeps. Like last week, she was good. She only woke up at twice, one for one night feeding, the second one's for the morning one. But then it's just like last 2 days, every 2 hours again. I don't know what's up, little missy. Penelope. We got this nice little thank you card from my niece Victoria from her shower. That's very nice of them. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy the gift. So I think I heard her up and I don't want to go in. Next thing you know, she sees me and she wants me, but she is up. Oh, let me face this upward like that. There you go. She's playing with her little ducky. I'm just gonna have her play by herself and see how it goes from there. She's not crying. Well, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Let's turn off sheep. Are you gonna play in your bed? Hmm? You gonna play in here for a bit? So my in-laws are supposed to arrive any minute, not sure what time. Earliest I think 12:30. maybe latest 1:30, so I'm just preparing lunch right now for them. Hopefully they didn't stop and eat. So she will love to try to stand, like grabbing onto that jumper thing.
Oh, yeah, but it moves.
And moves, yeah. So there was one time.
Here too.
Oh yes.
Yes,
Steve was watching her like laying there, and then she was here trying to get up and moved, and yeah, and bumped her head.
Oh my goodness.
Is your mom taking pictures while your grandmother's sticking her tongue out?
Yeah. It's playing with Mama.
We're almost teeth of yours.
You're a worm.
So that was a very nice visit, in-laws. We had a nice little lunch that I prepared for them. And they're on their way to St. Catherine's. Little Missy is going to go to nap soon. You gonna nap, babes? In half an hour. I still have to work on the cloak for Steve. And I haven't started that yet, and I should start on it soon. Because he's gonna wear it in 2 days. So Penny just woke up from her nap. And she's in the crib playing with her toys. I didn't even go in and check on her yet, but I hear her playing with her toys because I left her toys there. While she was napping, I've been working on Steve's cloak. This is my last piece of fabric here, and I have to fit 2 sleeves and a hood. I could do the sleeves, but then the hood I will have to reattach the fabrics together in order to get a bigger fabric. Wonder how that will look. Penny's snack time, and I've placed some Cheerios in her little tray here. I haven't soaked these in breast milk, so I just want to see how well she will do. Okay. So I've cut out everything, and now I am going to hem it, oops, and piece it all together, and hopefully it works. Well, not high, but I'm halfway done the costume. I have to stop because it's Penny's bedtime, so I'm gonna continue it tomorrow. Hopefully I could be done by tomorrow night, because I need Saturday to do my costume too, so I can't just constantly work on my husband's costume because I gotta do mine. But anyways, Penny's asleep, and I am gonna hit the bed, maybe work on some videos. Lately I have not been working on videos, I'm sorry, but it's just from being tired and with the marathon and with costumes, and Penelope is just a lot of things that's going on, so I apologize. I am really trying to play catch up, but hope you guys have a good night. Bye.
La 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 la, la la. Oh, oh, oh. La 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 la, la